了，你给我看着，对，看到这个就可以了。
请输入管理密码。
Please import the master password.
验证成功。
Verified successfully. To set the user, please press the button plus. To delete the user, please press the button minus. To reset, please press the button 0. To change the master password or fingerprint, please press the confirmation button again.
请开始注册用户。
Please begin to set the user.
请向上微微移动手指。
Please move up your finger slightly.
请向下微微移动
Please
手指。
move down your finger
请
slightly.
重输一遍。
Please press again.
3号指纹注册成功。
The
可继续注
element
册。
of the fingerprint is successful. Please keep to set up the user.
请重输一遍，并确认。
Please press again and confirm.
密码注册成功，可继续注
The
册。
element of the password is successful.
4号磁卡注册成功，可继续注册。
The element of the card is successful. Please keep to set up the user.
对吧？